Hi sir, I'm Aldwin Sarmiento from BSIT 3K. So mastering Blade dynamic web interfaces. Next. So the question is, what is template inheritance in Blade and how can it be used in a real world application? So the foundation ng template inheritance. Template inheritance is Blade's core principle, allowing you to define a master layout that other views can extend. This drastically reduces code duplication and ensure consistent branding across your application. So parang nagde-define siya ng common elements sir, example ng header, footers, navigation, CSS, tas JS. Tas na-extend niya yung layout ng mga individual pages. So yung real-time world example niya sir, a university website use a single layout for branding, while distinct pages like admission or courses. So next, how can Blade section and guilds be utilized to manage content in different views? So namamanage siya sir, nagde-define siya ng content ng blocks using a section name and section to define specific content. Sa display naman, nag-use siya ng at yield yung name sa master layout para i-display yung content. This powerful though enables each page to inject unique content. Example, mga page titles, main content, and specific scripts. Number 3. How do Blade control structures make your code more readable compared to raw PHP? Sir, yung Blade nire-replace niya yung verb, yung syntax with elegant, concise directive, making your code significantly more readable and maintainable. Para sa condition rendering, if, else, and if. For looping naman sir, for each and for each. May mga iba pa, unless, empty, tapos Blade's directive let me focus on HTML structure, not wrestling the PHP tag. It's almost like writing plain English. Sa simplicity niya sir, reduces visual clutter and allows developers to quickly understand the flow of the template. So number 4, what is the purpose of tag dito? Mani? Yung ganito sir, yung sa syntax. The syntax in Blade is just not for convenience, it's critical security feature. It automatically escapes all data displayed within it, converting special HTML characters into their entity equivalents. Para ma-prevent niya yung attacks para sa cross-site scripting. Sa auto-escaping, automatically clean user-generated content or data from the database. This simple yet powerful mechanism protects your application from malicious injections, ensuring that user-provided content cannot execute harmful scripts in the browser. Number 5, how can Blade's components in this slot be used to create reusable UI contents? Sir, components define reusable UI templates and slots let you insert dynamic content inside them. For example, xnavbar component could be used across all pages, right? While slots allow for different menu items or titles, depending on the page. Yun lang sir, thank you. Ay, ito pala sir yung yung sa UEP landing page. Makikita ba? Aman sir. Yan. Portal. Enroll now. Salamat.